Ngayong araw ikakabit yung ano, yung aircon namin na binili. So, katas yan ng ano, ng 13th month. So, abangan nyo guys yung video. So, yun pa lang, papasalamat na ako kay Lord kasi nabigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon magkaroon ng aircon. So, para din yan sa amin in the future sa summer season. Yun na mainit. Din para sa mga anak ko na rin at sa misis ko. Para komportable sila pag tulog dito sa taas. Okay? So, pakita ko guys yung ano, mamaya yung uh, finish product niya. Finish process ng video. So, kita-kits na lang mamaya. So, ibibideo ko pa si Kuya. Pinagagawa niya rin ito. Asa ba kayo? Kasi ba kaya alisin ko yung ano, internet? Maybe. Diyan kakabit guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
So yan guys, nakabit na pala yung yung aircon dito pero kapalan pa yan. Ayan. Guys, yan. 1 HP to guys na union. Yan. So, hindi naman to converter pero para sa akin is big investment to. So, dagdag kuryente to pero prior first ng pamilya before anything else, diba? So, yan guys. Ito yung jealous. Ito yung so, in the next few months, medyo tataas yung kuryente pero okay na yun. Kesa naman na mapunta lang sa wala yung sweldo. Sweldotin mo. Tapos nagastos sa maganda. Makapagpunda. Okay guys. Baka nyo guys yung finish nito. So, update ko kayo mamaya.
A few moments later.
So yun nga guys. Yung pinakita kong video kanina. Ito yun yung initial na nangyari sa pagkabit ng aircon kasi medyo maluwag pa yung space. Thankful hindi masakit. Okay. So, si Kuya ay bumababa para i-set up yung mga tabla na ipatatapal sa mga butas. So, para mapantay na rin yung aircon. Hindi siya medyo nakatilt kasi medyo nakatilt siya, diba? So, okay na yun. So, hintay ko na lang siya maya kasi alam niyo na, matutulog pa si Lola mo. Okay?
5 minutes later.
So guys, ito na guys, nakakabit na. Finish na siya. So, kahit pa okay na. Pero may mga siwang pa. So, lalagyan ko na lang yan ng foam. So, yan, mga minimal na lang naman yan. Daling na lang yung medyohan. Yan guys. Very good. Yan guys. So, tinesting ko na yan. Gumana na rin naman. So, laking achievement dito sa akin. So, ang tagal ko na nagtatrabaho. So, 6 years na. Mahigit. So, napundar ko yan. So, I'm proud of myself. Thanks din sa misis ko na nagkipigil sa akin gumastos. Maipon namin pambili nito. Anyway, so, maraming salamat guys sa pagsama. And, please like, share, and subscribe na lang. Kita-kits na lang ulit sa next video. Yun nga guys, kita-kits na lang ulit sa next video. Pasensya na sa buhok ko, ang gulo-gulo. So, pag-pick lang naman next time.